welcome to Adi the Little Vlogger. Hope you had a great Christmas this year. Today I'm thinking to make some science experiments. Let's go! So I was thinking of doing 2 science experiments. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for the 2 experiments. So here we have Alka-Seltzer, baking soda, water, and vinegar. Let's start the first experiment. Let's do experiment number 1. So I'm going to have baking soda here. I'm going to put it in a plate. If I don't put it in a plate, I will make a mess. And imagine the baking soda is a mountain that's going to erupt. And I'm going to put vinegar, and you'll see a surprise. Ah! Vengeance, baby! Wow, did you see that? That was so cool. So let me explain to you the chemical reaction of the science experiment. So when I put the vinegar in the baking soda, an acid and a basic were there, and when they got mixed together, they blowed up carbon dioxide bubbles. I hope you enjoyed experiment number 1. Now it's time for experiment number 2. Let's do it. So I'm going to put Alka-Seltzer in water and watch. I'm going to put another one. I actually got 2. Look at the cup. It's like a fun fizzer. Doop, 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 doop. Let me explain to you of what's happening here. So when water and carbon dioxide mix when water and Alka-Seltzer mix together, it makes carbon dioxide bubbles. I hope you enjoyed the 2 science experiments. But kids, if you are doing the science experiments, don't do them by yourself. Do it with your parents. Like I am doing it with my parents. That's all for today. Wishing you all a happy new year. I think I forgot one thing. Like and subscribe, please. Bye.